Now today's topic of discussion, that is product, and we are discussing about the what is the meaning of products and what are the other points related to the products. So as far as product is concerned, all the products are marketable, they can be sold out into the customers. But what is the actual meaning of the products? What are the other dimensions of the product? And what is the proper definition or the meaning of products, that we are going to discuss today. Now the product is always a tangible, that means which can be touched and seen, and we can make the difference between the different products which are having the physical attributes. That means we can make the difference between the same type of products by the producing by the different producer, or by the providing the other benefits to the products, that is the physical attributes. So the products, that means this is tangible things which is offered by seller to the customers, and different types of products are available into the markets, and they are having the different identity, and they are classified under the different manners. They are coming under the category of tangible. So these products can be classified by the terms of material. So suppose I am taking an example of the furniture. So our furniture may be the steel furniture or maybe the wooden furniture. So the differentiation between the same type of furniture, that means steel furniture or wooden furniture, when we say the product according to the color wise, that means we are taking an example of t-shirts, so black color t-shirt or blue color t-shirts. If we take the example of designing, that means we are taking an example of carpet, so handmade carpets or machine made carpet. When we discuss about the size, that means we are saying about the cloth, and the size of the cloth, that means a small size or medium size or the large size is there. When we say the weight is a base for the making the difference, that is we are taking an example of tea or sugar, so that means 100 gram packs or 200 grams pack or 500 grams pack. So the products which are identified in terms of materials, or we can say in the terms of colors or design or size or the weights, so various options are available, and customers are buying the different types of products. One question is also arising that what is the meaning of products and their added values. So one product can be added the additional values with the some type of packing materials. So a customer is demanding the products. Suppose the Pepsi, so Pepsi product is demanded in the can or in the bottle form, or we can say that the product can be also identified with the brand names, that is the ice cream, for example Amul ice cream or Quality Walls. Products can be also identified by the labels. I am giving example of the jeans, so Nike and the Levi's are the examples of this. And from the point of view, product can be identical from the point of view of the goodwills. So Kanpur's most famous, that is the Thaggu's Laddu, may be the example for this. So when a customer is enter into the market, and he is not only purchasing the any products, but purchase the added values also, or purchase the physical attributes also. Suppose if one person is going to buy the car, this is a one product, and when he purchasing the car, so he is consider about the brand name. So the brand name, that means the Honda or Hyundai or Maruti or any other car. So product is the brand name. What is the warranty? Warranty may be 3 years to the 7 years. Agar we are going for the prestigious cars, so BMW or Audi, so they may be the example for that. So the products which can be identical with each other on the basis of brand name, on the basis of warranty, on the basis of prestige. So this is an example of the car. So that means the all the tangible things and which is having the physical attributes, and they are also coming under these categories. Now the what is the present scenario? We are not only buying the products, but we buy some intangible things, intangible attributes along with the products. Now the product is the tangible. What is intangible? Intangible, that is the psychological effect of the product in our mind, and that is the more important physical characteristics of any product. For example, the company's Mountain Dew selling out the soft drink product, and he is putting the effect in psychology that डर के आगे जीत है. So that means this is the psychological impact given on the product, that is the soft drink, and that is the main logo or the main business promotion or marketing promotions technique. And I am giving another example about this. Suppose that I am giving an example of the pencil which is produced by the Apsara marks, and their main intention, what is the psychological effect? Psychological effect, that is the extra marks for good handwriting. That means if you are using the Apsara pencil, that means you will definitely get the extra marks for the extra good handwriting. So that means these things are covered under the products. Products may be the tangible, it is always tangible. There are some physical attributes, so the customers are having the different type of choice, and this choice may be on material or color or design or size or in case of the weight. And their packing material is also dividing the one product into the different forms. Brand name, label and goodwill is also there. At the final stage, the psychological impact of the product, that is most important to sold out into the markets.